Well, it's still hot and sunny here in Strasbourg. We're here for the normal Parliament week in September. It's been a week full of events. There was the major speech by the President of the Commission on the State of the Union. We've had a debate and a vote on the situation in Hungary. And we've had a big debate and vote on copyright, which is something a lot of you have contacted me about. But for me, the biggest event this week was the vote on my own report on language equality in the digital age. And I'm delighted to say that it got huge support in the Parliament. And now I'll be discussing with the Commission how we can take this forward, because there's pioneering work going on in Wales with language technology and in the Basque Country and some other countries across Europe. And with this new technology, we can ensure that when we go online, that all of our languages have equal space. That's not the situation at the moment, but technology enables us to do that. And with a major programme of investment, the European Commission could ensure that the EU is a world leader in this kind of technology. So I'm very hopeful that we can move forward with this, and I know that Wales will be playing its part.